Welcome to Artfulnguyen channel. This is a place to share beautiful and wise words, valuable knowledge from the sages, that still hold great value for our generation today. We hope that the content we share will bring joy and benefit to you. If you like it, please hit the subscribe button to support the channel. Thank you very much.
4 ways to pay off credit card debt. Create a budget that includes credit card payments, not just the minimum amount. Choose a strategy to pay off your credit cards. Start with the card with the lowest balance for an achievable goal. Target the card with the highest interest rate to save more money over time. Try the debt snowball method. Pay off the smallest debt first, then snowball the money to the next highest card. Or use the debt avalanche method. Pay off the card with the highest APR first to save on interest. Look for a balance transfer card with a 0% APR to consolidate your debt. Transfer your credit card balances to the new card and take advantage of the interest-free period. Make sure to check the terms, including the length of the introductory rate and the APR afterward. Refinance your debt with a personal loan or by using your home equity. Apply for a personal loan with a lower APR than your credit cards. If you're a homeowner, consider refinancing or taking out a second mortgage. Ensure the new debt structure saves you money and fits your budget. Approach your credit card companies to work out a payment plan. They may lower the interest rate, waive fees, or provide other options. Be proactive and communicate with your creditors early to minimize the impact on your credit rating. Remember, managing your debt is crucial. Keep your debt-to-income ratio below 36% and avoid taking on new debt. Set money aside for emergencies to avoid going into further debt. Seek help from professionals and utilize financial education tools to manage your money effectively.
Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We truly appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest videos. See you in the next videos. Thank you and have a great day.